Tesla just broke the automotive world, and they aren't looking back. While traditional Detroit brands are bleeding billions trying to figure out batteries, Elon Musk's engineering empire is executing a brutal takeover of global roads. But if you think Tesla is just a bunch of quiet, boring commuter cars for California tech bros, you are dead wrong. Behind closed laboratory doors, this brand is building some of the most dangerous, high-voltage weapons on Earth. From a $35,000 mass-market plastic sedan to a track-shredding carbon fiber Hyper-Eve and a top-secret military-grade aerospace machine built to leave this planet, these are the 7 levels of Tesla. The grid is live. The violence is instant. Level 1. The foundation. The Tesla Model 3 Highland. Starting at around $39,000, this is the car that forced the entire global automotive industry to panic. Look closely. There are no complex engine blocks or exhaust pipes here. It's a masterclass in extreme manufacturing simplification. Inside, it's digital minimalism to the extreme. No dashboard gauges, no physical air vents, just one central 15-inch touchscreen controlling everything from your windshield wipers to the steering weight. Tesla builds this car using massive single-piece underbody castings called gigapress. Tesla cuts production costs to the absolute bone at level 1. They make thin profit margins on the base Model 3, but this vehicle serves a massive corporate purpose. Millions of these cars on the road harvest billions of miles of real-world driving data every single second, feeding Tesla's neural network. Without this humble electric commuter, the AI autonomy waiting for us at the upper levels would be mechanically impossible. But when you take that minimalist EV architecture, scale it up for families, and add a set of doors that look like they belong on a spacecraft, you enter the territory of high-margin corporate luxury. Welcome to Level 2. Level 2. The status symbol. The Tesla Model X Plaid. Costing an insane $95,000 before options, this is a masterclass in Silicon Valley upselling. The exterior features the legendary Falcon Wing rear doors that utilize ultrasonic sensors to open vertically in tight parking spaces without hitting walls. Inside, the commuter car vibe completely vanishes. It's a high-tech family pod featuring a yoke steering wheel, carbon fiber trim, and a massive panoramic windshield that arches over the front seats. But the real engineering magic is under the floor. A tri-motor all-wheel drive setup pushing out a mind-numbing 1,020 horsepower. Tesla charges a massive premium because this 2.5-ton family SUV can launch from 0 to 60 in a terrifying 2.5 seconds, completely embarrassing multi-million-dollar European supercars at the drag strip while carrying 7 people and a week's worth of groceries. While a 1,000 horsepower SUV is fast, it's still made of standard painted aluminum. To see what happens when Tesla throws out the traditional automotive playbook and uses cold-rolled stainless steel to build an apocalyptic armored weapon, you have to step up to Level 3. Level 3. The Cybernetic Outlaw. The Tesla Cybertruck Cyberbeast. Pushing past $100,000, this vehicle is causing an absolute cultural war on American roads. The exterior features an exoskeleton made of ultra-hard, cold-rolled stainless steel that is literally bulletproof against 9mm handgun rounds. It completely abandons traditional paint, meaning the raw, industrial metal body is immune to scratches and dents. The Cyberbeast edition packs 3 electric motors, generating 845 horsepower, launching this massive geometric brick from 0 to 60 in just 2.6 seconds. It features an advanced steer-by-wire system with 4-wheel steering, allowing a massive truck to maneuver like a compact sports car. Tesla engineered the Cybertruck not to fit into suburbia, but to dominate it, a rolling piece of sci-fi brutalism, built for drivers who want to look like they just survived a war zone. But personal toys and bulletproof trucks mean absolutely nothing when you need to move the world's economy. If you want to see how Tesla uses massive battery packs to destroy the multi-billion-dollar diesel transport industry, look at Level 4. Level 4. The Logistics Disruptor. The Tesla Semi. This level exits the consumer market entirely and enters the high-stakes world of commercial freight transport, costing around $250,000. Powered by 3 independent electric motors derived from the Model S Plaid, this commercial monster sits the driver dead center in the cabin like a jet fighter. The engineering feat here is pure raw efficiency. Fully loaded to a maximum legal weight of 82,000 pounds, the Tesla Semi can sprint up a steep mountain grade at 60 miles per hour without losing a single RPM. It recovers over 70% of its kinetic energy through aggressive regenerative braking down mountains. With a massive 500-mile real-world range on a single charge, Tesla built the Semi as a corporate assassin designed to save megacorporations like PepsiCo millions of dollars in fuel and maintenance costs, spelling the ultimate death sentence for traditional diesel transport networks. But while the Semi is built to move cargo, Tesla's most expensive engineering experiment was designed to break the laws of physics entirely. Behind the next door is a vehicle that utilizes literal rocket technology to leave the ground. Level 5. The Vaporware Predator. The Tesla Roadster 2.0 with the SpaceX package. Pushing past $250,000, this is Tesla's ultimate middle finger to the European hypercar elite. The base car utilizes a tri-motor setup to achieve a 0 to 60 time of 1.9 seconds, but that wasn't violent enough for Elon Musk. The top-tier SpaceX package installs 10 cold gas rocket thrusters arranged seamlessly around the carbon fiber body. These thrusters utilize compressed air from a high-pressure composite tank located where the rear seats used to be. The result? A terrifying, mind-bending 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of sub 1.0 second. The thrust is so severe, it requires a medical warning for occupants. It doesn't just accelerate, it uses rocket propulsion to physically glue the tires to the pavement, creating a vehicle so fast it bridges the gap between automotive engineering and aerospace technology. But everything we've looked at so far requires a human being to turn the steering wheel. To reach the true peak of Tesla's long-term business strategy, you have to look at a vehicle that doesn't even have a steering wheel or pedals to begin with. Level 6. The Ghost Fleet. The Tesla Cybercab. This is a custom-commissioned autonomous capsule designed for one purpose: to completely eliminate human drivers from the face of the Earth. It features 0 steering wheels, 0 brake pedals, and no side mirrors. The exterior features inductive wireless charging, meaning it never needs a human to plug it into a charging station. This is the manifestation of Tesla's full self-driving AI neural network, taken to its absolute corporate extreme. Operating entirely on cameras and an onboard AI supercomputer, processing trillions of operations per second, the Cybercab is designed to run 24/7 as an autonomous revenue generation machine. It converts transportation into a pure utility, allowing Tesla to build a trillion-dollar robotic empire that turns human driving into a hobby of the past. But there is one final boss. A Tesla platform so extreme it leaves the civilian roads completely behind, transforming into a custom, high-tech tactical weapon commissioned by private space corporations and military forces. Get ready for Level 7. Level 7. The Off-Planet Overlord. The SpaceX Custom Tactical Cybertruck and Starship Crew Transport. Looking at this heavily modified, matte white aerospace titan costing upwards of $400,000, you realize it serves a terrifying purpose. It is engineered to operate in the most hostile environments on this planet and others. Built in collaboration with Unplugged Performance's tactical division, it features heavy-duty military-grade lift kits, carbon fiber armor panels, EMP shielding, and an integrated Starlink satellite terminal built directly into the roof structure. The interior is sealed with independent life support filtration systems designed to protect astronauts or high-ranking military officials from chemical or biological threats during launchpad extractions. This is the absolute ceiling of the Tesla ecosystem. It proves that when Elon Musk needs a platform capable of surviving extreme environments while integrated into a global satellite communication network, he relies on the heavy metal cybernetic bones of his own electric empire. From the mass-market minimalist cockpit of the Model 3 to the rocket-propelled chassis of the SpaceX Roadster, Tesla has proven they don't just build cars, they build a network of rolling AI weapons. The old automotive world is dying, and electric dominance is already here. The only question left is your brain ready to handle sub-1 second acceleration? Let me know in the comments which level you're taking to the drag strip, and hit that subscribe button for more deep breakdowns of the world's most extreme machines.